Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know you guys are mad, like I haven't posted in a long time. That's because I work like a lot and I didn't have time to post, but I was like, I was thinking of you guys, like I really wanted to post you guys. I felt really bad, but I'm back, more videos, better than ever, ready to go. Let's get serious. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a review of the new Patrick Starrr summer collection. So if you guys would like to see that, then please keep watching. Hi, I'm Robin Taylor, and here I do makeup tutorials, reviews, and giveaways. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. And let's get right into this video. First of all, doesn't this packaging remind you of when you were like in high school or middle school and they used to have those book covers and you would pick this one because it was girly enough but not too like crazy, but it was still kind of crazy, but you wanted to stand out, so you, okay, anyway. So I'm excited. I love the packaging. He always comes through with the packaging. Whoop whoop for you. I'm just gonna go right into doing this review because it's 9:20 a.m. in the morning and I had to wake up at 7 o'clock because you guys are important. Unlike the spring collection, he had two kits that came with blush palettes, quad eyeshadow palette, a lip gloss, and a lipstick. This comes with a quad eyeshadow palette, two lip glosses, face powder, and a highlight. So I'm really excited. Oh, we didn't talk about the hair. Hi, new hair, who's this? Moving on. So, okay, so the first thing I'm gonna review is this eyeshadow palette. Oh, I love these colors. He's always coming through with the colors because he picks colors that go well on every skin tone. So there's this very neutral tan color right there where you could use this for like a transition color. These two are metallic shades. This is more of like a red base. This is like a bronzy gold-ish color. And then it has a brown, so you can also deepen your crease with that. So I think this is a very nice shadow palette. This palette's called Heat Stroke. There's Sandy Crotch, which I believe is this one. Then there is Brash, and then there is Rudy, is this one, Ruddy, and Mabuhay is this one right here. All right, so let's go ahead and start putting these eyeshadows on. You guys, I really was feeling like doing something different with my look because I'm always playing it safe, and I'm doing something in my life that I'm trying to not play it safe anymore. This is hinting to something, so just stay tuned. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this eyeshadow. This is a Carity E31 brush that I'm gonna use today, and I'm gonna link Carity's website down below, so go check them out. And I have a coupon code, I'll link it right here for you guys. But MAC always has really nice, oh my stomach, what's happening? I had hot ramen noodles. Ooh. MAC always has really nice eyeshadows, so there's really nothing to review, but they're just very nice shadows. The only reason I'm putting it on camera for you guys is to let you see how it looks on a darker skin tone and how easy it blends with all the other colors, and just to show you what comes in the eyeshadow palette. Now with being dark skin, it's always like, if this hair don't get out of my face. Sometimes being dark skinned, certain colors don't really show up that vibrant on your skin tone, especially if it's close to your skin tone, but this actually is a very nice transition color, and it's not super, it's pigmented, but it's not showing up that pigmented on me only because of my darker skin, but this is a very nice, soft and creamy eyeshadow. Usually MAC has very powdery shadows, but this one feels very creamy. I don't know if it's Patrick's doing or MAC switching up their style, but it's cool. It feels good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go into this, I think this is Mabuhay right here, and I'm gonna add that to my transition color just to deepen it a bit, and it is deepening it, but you know, your girl is chocolate, so when you put chocolate on chocolate, you get chocolate. But they blend really nice together. It's really pretty when it's blending. All right, so let's go back. So this is a very nice eyeshadow that blends very well. This looks really pretty. Now let's go on to the Brash. I'm gonna use this one right here, and then I'm gonna apply that on my lid. Let's see how pigmented it is, and this is super pigmented. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and dust this off a little bit, and I'm gonna go into this. It's like a fiery red-ish type of color, but it has a lot of shimmer in it, which shimmers is always better to apply with your finger, but like my nails, so I'll just use this one. Well, this is really pretty. All these colors blend in so nicely. This is insane. I know I'm serving you a lot of colors, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with my eyes with like eyeliner and stuff, and you know, we's gonna be back. Hold on. This is the first time that he is putting a pressed powder into a kit. Well, the pressed powder came separately. It didn't come in the kit, but it did come with a collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that because I'm just gonna go ahead and just use this as a face powder just to turn me a little more matte, I guess. It's nice, like MAC has really nice face powders. It's like regular powder. It's good though. So this is the highlighter. The one that says hot and heavy. That's the highlighter. So I'm gonna go in with my favorite brush to highlight. Where you at, girl? There you is. And this is kind of like a fluffy yet dense brush. My sister got it for me for Christmas and I really like it for a highlight. So I'm gonna dip into this, and it's a very, very nice goldy champagne highlight. It is like a darker highlight, so it'll look very nice on deep or darker skin tones. This will also act as a bronzing powder if you're a lighter skin tone, like really, really fair. This is probably like a highlight for deeper skin tones. If you have like a tan, like this will look nice on you. This is actually really nice. I like this, but this is really, really nice. It's super soft and it's blendable. It's like very beautiful sun-kissed-y type of vibe, which is perfect for the summer. The lip glosses that he has is Cream Pie Lip Glass and Fashion Punch Lip Glass, which I like these because I feel like if you line your lips, this could look nice on every skin tone. The Cream Pie Lip Glass is more of a pinkish nude, and the Fashion Punch Lip Glass is more of a peach nude. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the pink one right now. Y'all already know I love nude like stuff, so like this is about to be wow. You know how MAC usually has those like lip glosses? This is not like as bad. It's still like lip gloss is popping, lip gloss is cool. It's not like super sticky where you can't open your mouth. Yes, this looks really good. I wanna take this off, but we gotta go our separate ways. So the next one that I'm gonna try is the Fashion Punch Lip Glass. You hear that? It's called Expansive. Okay, Patrick, come through for the dark skins. My overall opinion on this collection is Patrick did it once again, snatched all of our edges. This is perfect, perfect, perfect for the summer. This is making me feel like I wanna go start dancing. Oh my gosh, speaking of, did you guys see his music video? Yo, I watched it like I was ringing somebody up at my job, and then I was like putting my earphones in, like I hit it with my hair and I was like listening to it like but I can't play right now because, you know, probably copyright stuff. But it was really, go check it out. It's really, really nice. MAC always has great products, but Patrick always pushes the limit. Dark skin girls, like, he's always coming through for us. So like, go support your mans. But this collection is great for the summer. A good collection also is Lime Crime's Wet Cherry collection. They came out with 14 lip glosses that are like so pretty, and they accidentally sent me 2 of them. So I have mine and I have an extra one. If you guys want me to do a giveaway on this collection, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. This is a $252 value. I also did a review on this collection and I'll link that up here, so make sure you guys go check that out. This set will look gorgeous on every skin tone, so make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and we'll look into that, girl. But this is what it looks like inside. This is mine, so I already used 3 of them and they're on Mark's desk, and I should probably get them back. But this is mine. I already ate all the lip, I already ate all the lollipops, and these are all the lip glosses. So there's 7 in each row. So this has 14 lip glosses in there. So yeah, go ahead, give me a thumbs up so we can be twins this summer. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment down below if you like my hair, because you know your girl's trying new things. And until next time, I will talk to you beauties later. Bye.